We have noticed that somebody has messed with the pretensioner side right here. It was bad to begin with. They removed little inserts and they have removed every little pretensioner gear that's possible in there for it to lock up. So if you would look at what we replace it with, they removed every safety feature. That's why it was rolling freely. And not only that, but on this side, this is a retractor placement sensor. They removed all the guts. They removed the leveler. Here I have an example of what we're going to replace for you. That little metal thing right there is for the retractor placement sensor. This right here is the tilt for if the car is on a hill, it'll lock up. So that was removed. We'll also give you a new sensor here. Really seriously get injured. So that's what we're going to be doing, replacing this for you. There was also some bolts missing in the corner back here. I'm going to add it. The passenger side, which is this, there's a locking mechanism, a timing, and a delay. Disconnect your things. See, it won't let it. For instance, if you want to put a car seat or a child or somebody that's already eligible for the passenger side, just to lock them in, secure them. And there's a delay for if there's like a seat moving, see sideways, but then it only go out like this. See, it locks like this because they took that out, it wasn't locking at all. But now when we put the new one in, it only goes out straight up and down, and it'll lock if the car is sideways. This part was blown. You can tell how it's sucked in. They also removed inserts. This is to match the plug up in your car to fit the puzzle piece. So this is an example of the different inserts that we have. And we're gonna give you a new one. Nice and stretched out. You see how much longer it is? You're putting on a new retractor, we have the insert in there already. If you can see the difference, sucked in. See, you put it on the new one. It's not scrunched up, there's some space down there. This way the airbag module senses that there's something there and all the safety features are intact. They literally removed both sides of safety features. The main one is the pretensioner, which was already bad to start with. Right here. Locked up. The piston moved. It was supposed to be locked up. This resistor or sensor is inside. It's inside there. So when it's bad, it pushes in. See it moving? That means it's been blown. This one is good. Solid. To match your plugs. Alright, your other side, the drivers, it's the same exact messed up as this one, just doesn't have this retractor positioning sensor, which is key. Again, I'll take it off and show you. That little metal part, it's sensing where it's at based off the movement and the locking mechanism here. Extra inserts here for these areas right here, the 2 plug-in regions, just in case. I don't know if you're plugging it in or it cracks, we got you on extras. Another thing is, I want to say these things are very dangerous to mess with. So whoever did, they were taking a risk, because these pyro sensors that are inside are no joke. We are licensed through the ATF for this. You need special licensing. So I wouldn't suggest anybody to do this at home. Instead, send it over to MyAirbags and we'll make sure it's done right.